So yan guys, so I'll be sharing with you honest review ng coffee machine, also my personal experience, factors that led me to purchase, and as well as the actual demo of the unit. So for today's video guys, so I'll be sharing yung experience ko and other factors bakit ako nag-led in deciding to purchase the B.Coffee machine. But first, I just want to remind everyone this is not a promotional or a professional review. Rather, it's just me sharing my personal thoughts and opinions of the product, as well as help you guys out for those who are really thinking about or interested in purchasing their own coffee machine. So for the experience, me personally, I used to go to the office every day before pandemic. So I have that daily dose of caffeine. So kaya nung nag-pandemic situation tayo sa country, so nagkaroon ako ng problem where to buy yung talagang freshly brewed coffee. So that's why I really opted to invest in a good coffee machine. So other factors, which number one, yung cost. So it's roughly around 5,000 pesos. So I got it from Shopee during the 8/8 sale. So I'll just share the link on the description box below. And then for efficiency, it's very easy to use, very easy to clean. So it's really perfect for those people who are on the go. And then lastly, yung durability. So for the past 3 weeks that I've been using this, so far so good. Wala namang issues on the technical side. In terms of warranty, I'm also covered with the warranty, 1-year warranty coverage of the product. Yeah. So kapag bumili kayo ng B.Coffee machine, so what you'll expect from the box, diba? So you get the coffee machine itself. So it comes with 3 colors, may black, red, and then white siya. So you get to choose from it. And then it also has the 7 capsule, or yung tatag nilang starter kit. So it's perfect for you who's still venturing out kung ano ba yung perfect blend para sa inyo. So there's cappuccino, there's something good for mocha, for caramel macchiato. By the way, before I forget, it comes with a 3-prong. So you need to have your adapter or your extension ready so you can start using or brewing your coffee once your B.Coffee machine arrives. So let's do na the actual usage or demo of the unit. Yan yung power key, espresso key, and the steam key. So, yung machine natin, ganyan na itsura pag bagong saksak. So, dyan nilalagay din natin yung capsule. So, yung capsules, pwede rin siya, yung basta mga Nespresso. Water tank, 550 ml capacity. And then, the panel or yung side panel niya, made of plastic. And then, yung capsules natin, dyan na pupunta each time na pagkatapos natin mag-brew o yung tatawag natin drip tray. So, upon turning on, magbi-blink sila roughly around 45 seconds. So, once mag-steady na yung light, ready na silang gamitin. So, mag-place na ako ng cup. Let's do the cleaning nano machine. So, kunyari, first time use siya. So, don't forget to do this pagdating ng B.Coffee machine nyo. And then, I'll put na my espresso cup or espresso capsule. And then, for cappuccino, na gagawin natin. For the capsule, what I'll do is mag-drip natin siya. So, ayan, bumili na naman ako ng bagong budol sa Shopee. Kasi gusto ko makompleto yung coffee nook ko. So, ayan, nagko-collect ako ng mga ganyang baso or mga accessories in making my coffee. So, what I'm using is the cappuccino capsule of B.Coffee. So, yung milk, so, i-steam natin siya. So, roughly, mga around 10-20 seconds yan. And then, medyo maingay pero tolerable naman. Yun yung difference niya sa freshman edition nitong machine. So, itong Sophomore, it has the steam function, which is wala dun sa previous version nila. So, gusto ko ng medyo may froth So, gusto ko coffee muna yung base. Then, I'll just put on the, or milk muna yung base. Or put on the coffee. And then, add syrup. Choice ko ngayon ay vanilla. And then, I'll add the coffee. So, that's the good thing about having your own coffee machine. So, kayo masusunod kung anong gusto nyong ilagay doon sa coffee mo. So, nabitin ako. So, I'll add another shot. Yan. And then, finish it off with caramel sauce. Enjoy! So, ito na yung finished product natin. So, this is our version of the cappuccino using the B.Coffee Sophomore machine. So, yan. So, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and somehow help you also in deciding whether to purchase a coffee machine of your own. Lastly, don't forget to hit and like the subscription bell to get the latest updates on our new videos. And for other contents, or comments and suggestions, just make sure to comment down on the box below. Okay, so that's it for now. Ciao! I'll be sharing with you my experience, factors, and I get the... Okay. So, ngayon, guys, it's not something na ma-fell out of place. Or, wala na. Wala na. Hello, everyone! I'm Chams, and welcome to our... Is that nawala talagang coffee shops open to cater for our coffee sige.